I want to make a quick review on my helmet. This is the Aviator 2.2 by Airoh. This is a very lightweight helmet. It weighs around, they claim it weighs for medium size 990 grams. When I put it on the scale, it was measured as 1.1 kilograms, something like that. It's very lightweight. When you put it on your head, you immediately feels the difference between this helmet and all the others on the market. I had before that the Fox V4 made out of the carbon also. This is a carbon helmet. Still the Fox felt heavier, and the ventilation wasn't great in compared to this one, which you have lots of ventilation. You have ventilation here, of course. You have those intake ports in the middle here and on the sides. You have huge honeycombs here and the exhaust port here, and also at the bottom you can actually see through those honeycombs, which is very, very neat. Those holes are very big. Because of the padding you won't see it, but that's crazy. There are a lot of ventilation for this helmet. If you have lots of rain while you're riding, you can use they are providing you some covers that you can put on them so rain won't go through. The pads are very lightweight. They're very nice against the skin, but I think they tend to wear quickly. I don't know if some of my friends told me that after washing them a few times they are getting tear off. I didn't wash mine yet, so I don't know, but once I try to pull out those those pads to try to wash it once, it started to rip off of the locking system. It's not the regular one with the tic-tac, something else. It is working because all of my friends can wash it, but for me it didn't work well once I tried it. What else? So ventilation is great, weight difference is huge. You can fit any goggles you want inside them. They are big enough to fit Oakley or any other 100% and Fox and all that. You can just use any goggles you want. One thing that you need to consider: if you want to use a GoPro, you can use the Session, and you can mount the Session here, and it will be fine, mounts perfectly. Or Airoh provides you they made a specific mount for this rounded shape, so you can put it here. I don't like it because of the GoPro mount on the top of the helmet gets the video distorted. I don't like it, so you need to consider something else. The shape here don't give you easy life to mount the GoPro here or in the chin area, so you can use I just ordered from eBay the chin mount with the straps. I'll update you once I'll get it. Anything else? Let's see. There is this is the 6th day of 2018. I really like the coloring and the shape. Of course, you need to try those helmets on your head before buying it, because any person has a different head shape, so you need to try it out. I know lots of guys don't like it because of the shape. It is lightweight, as I told you. There is the new, you have double D, it's called double D locking system or something like that, locking system, which is good for safety. And the last thing that I want to mention is that you are getting an extension for the visor if you want a little bit more extension against the sun. What else? Oh, there is this is the Aviator 2.2, and there is the new one 2.3, so you can check it out. It's got a lot of improvement in all the protection area. I think it includes some kinds of MIMPS technology for low crashes, low speed crashes, and concussions and all that. That's it. I think this helmet is not that cheap, but I think it's worth it, especially for the ventilation. There are a lot of air once you are riding, and even though if you are doing slow stuff like hard enduro, you are getting lots of ventilation for a really lightweight helmet, which is another plus. Less fatigue on the head, on the neck, and you can concentrate on the riding. So anyone that is living in hot weather, I think it's a good option to consider. Sorry for my clumsy English, and it's very supposed to be short review, which is lasting for 7 minutes. Okay, so next time, guys, bye bye.